Beneath the streets of Moscow runs a second city, a hidden metro system so deep, so vast, and so classified that for decades its existence was officially denied. But that secret is just the beginning of what makes this place unlike anywhere else on Earth. Moscow is nearly 9 centuries old. Founded in 1147 by Prince Yuri Dolgoruki, it began as a modest riverside settlement on the Moskva River. Today, it is home to over 13 million people, making it the largest city entirely within Europe by population. And yet, age alone doesn't explain Moscow's gravity. Consider the Kremlin. This fortress complex at the city's heart has stood for over 500 years, housing Russian rulers from Ivan the Terrible to Vladimir Putin. Its walls stretch nearly 2.3 kilometers, enclosing cathedrals, palaces, and the seat of state power, all behind a ring of blood-red brick. Just outside those walls sits Red Square. Not named for communism, the Russian word Krasnaya once meant both red and beautiful. Standing there between St. Basil's Cathedral and the State Historical Museum, with the Kremlin on one side and the gum department store on the other, you begin to understand how deliberately this city was designed to inspire awe. St. Basil's Cathedral alone deserves a moment of stillness. Completed in 1561 under Ivan the Terrible, its 9 onion domes were built to represent the flames of a bonfire rising toward heaven. Legend holds that Ivan had the architect blinded afterward, so he could never build anything more beautiful. The building itself stands as a monument to that singular vision. But here's what's stranger. Moscow's famous metro, opened in 1935, was not just transportation. It was built as a palace for the people. Its stations are lined with marble, mosaics, chandeliers, and bronze sculptures. Komsomolskaya Station features golden ceiling panels modeled after imperial Baroque architecture. Riders travel daily through what functions as the world's longest art gallery underground. And beneath even that metro lies the classified network, Metro 2, reportedly built for government evacuation, with tunnels connecting the Kremlin to undisclosed locations across the city. Moscow holds contradiction like no other city. Imperial grandeur beside Soviet monuments, ancient monasteries beside glass towers. It is a city that was rebuilt from ash after Napoleon burned it in 1812 and emerged larger, more defiant, and more extraordinary than before. Every stone here carries the weight of history, and the quiet reminder that some of the world's greatest wonders were built not despite adversity, but because of it.